Welcome to another amazing finished basement. You guys are really going to love this one because this basement not only has a beautiful basement, but an extension of the basement outdoors thanks to Phantom Screens. All right guys, so we're here at this really cool bar. It's situated right next to the back door that was added. This basement did not have a walkout entrance, so it works out really nice, especially with this beautiful backyard because you can walk right in here and have a drink. Got the double kegerator here, wine fridge, and the brick on the wall is awesome. I love the touches here. And what's really cool, you'll notice throughout the video, the stain on this bar carries throughout the whole basement, which I love. It's the railing, it's the doors, it's the molding, even the crown molding. So it's really sharp how it all ties in together. And the last thing here at this bar is we had the utility room behind us, so we had to add a secret door because we did not want to have an awkward door in the back panel of the bar. So I think it worked out really well. We're here at the outdoor living room, which is actually my favorite part of the basement. This is truly an additional space to the basement, especially due to the fact that the entire perimeter can open or close with these executive screens made by Phantom Screens. I love the fact that on a chillier day, there's heaters out here, the screens can close, on a nicer day they can open, and it really truly is a part of the basement and works out perfectly. So we're here at the entrance to the kids' playroom, which is directly across from the basement entrance. It's really nice because you can see the kids in the room, but with the doors, it cuts down on a lot of the sound. Also, we added a door directly into the bathroom from the kids' room, as well as from the main area of the basement. So in the main area of the basement, this area sees all the way through to the bar. It's a great spot. This pool table is actually situated perfectly, whether you're in the theater or at the bar or hanging out. It's a really good entertainment area. And what's really nice about the ceilings in this area is we had some low-hanging pipe, and rather than dropping the whole drywall ceiling flat below the pipe, we actually created a double tray ceiling. So it actually worked out even nicer, especially with the crown molding in there to enhance it. We wanted to maximize the seating in the home theater, and we were challenged with the distance that we had. We knew we could easily fit 2 rows of seating, but we wanted to have a 3rd row. So what we did was we created this counter with some bar stools, essentially giving us the 3rd row. It's actually really cool too because you could sit down, you can have a drink, something to eat, even plug in your laptop. So it worked out really well, and we used the space perfectly. So when you leave this basement, you technically didn't completely leave the basement because it is great extension to the basement. This outdoor living room is absolutely amazing. So please enjoy more videos like this. Follow us on Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, everything. We got some great stuff.